2027 power play. Obi, Tinubu, Atiku and the new state. Let's not be naive. This push for a sixth southeast state isn't just about fairness, it is about power. Here is how the three political giants are likely viewing it. Tinubu, the APC may support this bill to buy political goodwill in the southeast, a region where Tinubu struggled in 2023. If a new state is created, it adds governors, senators and delegates, more chiefs on the table. Peter Obi, if the new state favors areas like Etiti or Ada, Obi's strongholds, it could empower his base and Labour Party, but it could also divide the southeast votes, depending on where it lands. Atiku Abubakar, the PDP is watching. Atiku has always courted the Igbo vote. He may support the move, but could also see it as a ploy to weaken the LP and spark internal Igbo rivalry. Bottom line, this state creation move is a chess game. 2027 is the real target. Who wins and who gets outplayed will depend on how the people respond and how united the Southeast remains.